Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our super low mileage VW Golf Plus. So this is our 2009 VW Golf Plus Sport. It's only done 42,000 miles from new. It's had two former keepers, the first being VW for a couple of months before the last owner owned it since 2009. Whilst in our care, we've given it service, replaced the all-important cambelt and water pump, replaced the turbo, giving it a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection with new disc and pads all round as well. It's got 4 matching Pirelli tyres and is in exceptional condition for the age. Inside, you've got touchscreen radio, AM/FM, aux input. It's a 6-speed manual with a 2-litre diesel engine. All in really good condition. It's really nice and practical being the Golf Plus. It's a bit bigger, a bit higher up, more comfortable, more leg room. Very good family car. Dare I say it, I don't think those rear seats have ever been sat in. Nice big boot too, with the false floor for even more storage. Very nice motor. Very economical with the 2-litre diesel. Low insurance group. Practical, excellent condition. As I say, new disc and pads all round, cambelt, water pump service, and replacement turbo. And really low mileage. This is a 2009 car, which has only covered 42,000 miles. Absolutely amazing. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.